Today we have gathered here to enjoy a meaningful and thought-provoking English drama. Before we begin, let us share a few words about the importance of language in our lives.
Many people say that English affects our culture or weakens our tradition. But the truth is very simple, that English doesn't ruin our culture and it definitely doesn't ruin our manners.
A language is just a way to speak, to express and to connect. It doesn't change who we are. Our identities change our values, our character, heritage, not only the language we use.
Many people also believe that speaking English makes us forget our roots. But we know that traditions are not stored in our tongues, they live in our hearts.
And with this beautiful thought in mind, let us move forward to the highlight of the evening.
Dear audience, get ready to witness a wonderful English drama which carries a noble and inspiring message that a language is only a language. It doesn't decide who we are, we decide who we are.
The title of today's drama is Future Begins Here. It is written and directed by Mistress Nilima Panda ma'am.
We hope you enjoy this performance and let the message touch your heart and give them a huge round of applause.
The Britishers came to India in 15th century. They came here for business only.
15 twos are 20, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 15 sevens are 105, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 ones are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 115, 15 sevens are 40, 15 sevens are 45, 15
Oh, Amazon boy. Hello.
Hello, Mrs. Sunita speaking.
Yes, Mrs. Sunita speaking.
Your parcel is ready. I am delivering it today.
You said you will deliver today.
Yes.
No, deliver tomorrow morning night.
Okay.
Mom, that's not even the time of day.
Don't correct me. I studied at a convent. My English is highly professional. Go, do your own job.
Good morning, Mr. Pandey. Welcome.
What happened, Rohit?
Nothing.
Good morning, neighbors.
A very good morning, Mr. Pandey.
How do I look today?
Wow, sir, you look so impressive today.
Uncle Pandey, your English is amazing. I'm learning to speak only English from you.
Excellent. Listen then. English is not just a language. It is a symbol of progress. Understood? Come with me. We will learn more.
Let's go, it's the time for your school.
English fever, where even morning becomes morning night and confidence is stronger than grammar.
Yes, this little town is trying very hard to sound motivated. But don't worry, heart of India beats under every confused English word.
Yes, come in. Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Rohit.
Good morning, everyone. Or I should say, hi, the English world.
Hey, the hero of grammar himself. How are you today, Mr. English?
I'm fantastic from today. I will speak only English, no local languages for me.
Wonderful. Then when you are hungry, will you tell your mother? Please provide edible materials.
Sir, this is serious. English is the language of opportunity.
And your mother tongue is the language of emotion. Tell me, when you hurt your toe, do you cry? Oh, my pain senses.
No, I just shout mom.
Exactly. The hurt does not need translation. No doubt, English is useful, but your own language gives you soul. Go and sit now.
Good morning, Masterji.
Good morning, Mr. Pandey. How are you here today?
I came for a small motivational lecture.
You were supposed to come tomorrow.
My English calendar tricked me again. Anyway, listen. Dear students, people, without English, there is no progress. Without progress, there is no promotion. Without promotion, there is no emotion.
Excellent, Mr. Pandey. That was emotionally educational.
Good morning, students.
Good morning and welcome to our class.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Do you know, children? Today is a very special day, English Culture Day.
Ma'am, it's actually Clean Campus Day.
Same idea, clean language, clean school. Children, remember, English may open door, but your values keep those doors standing. Balance both. Do you see, children? English is very, very important. It is used in interviews, emails, WhatsApp statuses. Very crucial. But too much English can also cause language cramps. Yes, language cramps. Where your tongue twists, but your heart get confused. So remember, speak English with confidence, but speak your mother tongue with respect, because school teaches a subject, but culture teaches a character. And whether you say good morning or namaste, say it honestly. Master Ji and Mr. Pandey, come with me.
Okay, then just wait and watch. I will make him talk in his mother tongue.
Okay, then let's go.
Sometimes, so does comedy.
Passion meets strength, and Rohit meets reality.
Midnight is here, and so is an experiment. Let's see what longer survive when fear knock at door.
In dreams, the mind speaks the purest truth. Not English, not soft, just honest emotion.
Jerry, you challenge us that we even dream in English.
Oh, just a mosquito biting. Oh, I think I'm dreaming. Ah, mummy, bachao! Boot, 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 boot.
Ha 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 ha.
English? Huh? Help me, mom, become. Mummy, bachao in 1 second.
And your language. Language changes, but fear always leads you back home.
Behold, the great midnight English warrior, defeated by, oh my God, not help me please, but pure, heartfelt Hindi.
And that is the beauty of our roots. When the heart is honest, it speaks the language it trusts the most.
Fine, fine. Okay, fine. I accept it. English may be for speaking, but emotions will come out in Indian languages only.
Good, at least you know you are still one of his.
And your heart hasn't become a dictionary yet. Ha 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 ha. As night fades, our young hero learns another quiet lesson. A language may guide your future.
But your mother tongue guards your soul. And that's why the future begins. Not by abandoning your culture, but by carrying it proudly into tomorrow.
I think I understand now. English helps us to move forward, but it should not make us forget who we are.
True. You are right, Rohit. I use English only when it's truly needed. Like when you are in cricket or talking to someone stranger.
I will use clear English from now. But I will not never forget my roots or my culture.
Well said. Remember, a tree grows tall only if its roots stay deep. English can travel with you, but your culture should live within you.
And now, under gentle moonlight, our heroes sit to think. Finally, silence instead of good morning.
This is the moment when fever cools and wisdom warms the heart. English may bring progress, but culture brings purpose.
Languages may differ, but our culture stands strong and the future begins here.
Because true progress is not about replacing your root.
It's about growing branches while keeping those roots alive.
And that's why the future truly begins here with balance.